Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the keyboard language on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open the keyboard on your smartphone, then tap on the settings icon on the keyboard. From here, just tap on languages, then tap on add keyboard. And from here, you can select any language which you want to add to your keyboard. For an example, I will select this language. Now from here, just tap on done. Also, you can add multiple languages to your keyboard. For an example, I will select this language. Just like that. Now to switch between languages on the keyboard, just go to your home screen and open the keyboard on your smartphone. Now on the keyboard, you will find a globe icon. Now just tap on the globe icon to switch between the languages. Just like that. And this is how you can change the keyboard language on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.